Hey everybody, Michael here from Get Fit Over 40. Really excited to make this video and to bring this information to everybody. I'm going to be entitling it, Is TRT Right for You and Where Can You Get It? Because, well, I mean, there's a lot of questions. I get a lot of questions about this topic. I am actually kind of like shocked at how many questions I get, comments, questions, people emailing me, people just commenting on related videos. And so, yeah, it's been a really big topic ever since I started making TRT videos, and ever since I even made the TRT Over 40 YouTube channel. So I have the Get Fit Over 40 YouTube channel and website, and then I have the TRT Over 40 YouTube channel. So that anything from there just goes to the Get Fit Over 40 website. But I really haven't even made that many videos for the TRT Over 40 channel, just a handful, maybe five or six videos. And I've been a little tardy getting videos out because it just isn't a topic that I'm necessarily a specialist in. I know a little bit about it, I do some research, but I'm far from a specialist. So, but that said, I mean, I still get a lot of questions. I still have people approaching me. They want to know, what's going on? How do I find out if this is an issue? Where do I get it if it is an issue? So a company reached out to me. They're called Royal Medical Center, and they're one of the bigger, or maybe possibly the biggest companies in the US. They're nationwide. They have an excellent standings and reviews. So I'll show you some stuff about, like, I've got some screenshots I'll show you, and I'll put them on screen for you. But they definitely get great reviews. They have an all-inclusive program, so you pay one price. There's no hidden fees. There's no contract. I'll sort of go over everything here just to make you aware. Now, this is a US company, so you know, if this goes over well, if people really like this idea and they want to, you know, I find that a lot of people are actually using their services, then I will look for more possibilities here in Canada. That'll probably be the next step. So if you are a Canadian TRT clinic, preferably nationwide, because I want to offer like potentially one top-level clinic that can support and supply TRT related therapy to everyone across Canada. So that's a possibility. If you're one of these people, if you're one of these companies and you want to reach out to me, I'll see if I can also make a video for you, a similar video to this one. And if that works out, maybe in other parts of the world too. All right, getting back to Royal Medical Center. They provide TRT. They've been providing it for almost 10 years. They treat patients throughout the US, as I said, and they treat your symptoms. So here in Canada, we can go to our doctor, we can get tested. If we don't fall within a certain normal range, so if we're under it, then we can get medically provided TRT, which is actually paid for. The problem with that is that, you know, you can be just right on the border there, but feel like absolute crap. But if you're just above it, you're out of luck, right? Or you can even be in the middle and feel like garbage, and that sometimes happens. Is your testosterone may be okay, but you know, you might have other related things going on. Maybe your free testosterone is bad. Maybe your estrogen levels are out of whack. Maybe there's other things going on. So sometimes boosting the testosterone and controlling the estrogen, all that kind of stuff can make a huge difference, and a TRT clinic can help you with that. All right, so here in Canada, we do have clinics that do treat you more on symptoms, but you have to pay for that just like you do in the US, okay? So that is out there if you're Canadian, but we're gonna focus on the US here, and we're gonna focus on Royal Medical Center because this is something that I can help you with. I can provide you with a link, and I can even provide you with a significant discount, so stay posted for that. All right, so their program is truly all-inclusive. There's no hidden costs, there's no contracts. So this promo basically is normally the service is $195 per month, and that includes all of your consultations, initial consultation, you know, follow-up consultations. It includes all of the therapy drugs that you need, including testosterone, including HCG, which is going to help you a lot as well. That might be all you need for some people, right? It'll also they'll supply you with AI, so anti-estrogen related drugs. And they can even include that in the testosterone so that you don't have to worry about taking pills or other things for the estrogen. It can just be all part of the program. And they treat you on your symptoms. Okay, that's the main thing. They're going to treat you on your symptoms and not on your levels as much. Obviously, they look at the levels and they adjust accordingly, but they're treating you on your symptoms. So what's going to happen here is if you use my code, which is Get Fit Over 40, so GFO40. Big G, big F, big 0, or big O, and then 40, okay? So I'll put it up on the screen. If you use that code, You'll pay $195 for the initial consultation, because that's probably where a lot of the work is done, and they're probably not making any money on that initial consultation, all right? Because a lot of doctors are involved in blood work and all of that stuff. They do all the blood work, they do everything, right? It's all inclusive, so nothing's left out. So that first consultation, like I said, making probably no money. They got to charge full price. But then after that, you're going to save approximately $50. So it'll be $150 each month after that. So I guess it's $45. But that's significant savings over, essentially over what you would normally pay, and that's every month thereafter. No contract, so if for whatever reason you're not liking the program or you're not liking it there, which I highly doubt, then you can stop and you can go anywhere you want at that point, right? So follow-up lab works are completed at 3 months or 90 days after the initial consultation. Doctor consultations are always free. Typically, they'll actually have you in once a year for a consultation afterwards, after everything's going fine. But you can come in at any time. You can schedule appointments anytime you want. And medication is shipped direct to you at no additional cost. So they don't charge you for shipping. It's just shipped to you from an FDA-approved pharmacy. So it's pharmacy grade. No cutting corners here at all. Again, no contract, no hidden fees, no additional startup fees other than the $195, which is basically your monthly startup fee, okay? Or your monthly fee, whatever it costs for the first month. So that's the company. I just wanted to kind of show you. I'll put the screenshots up here. This is a possible landing page I'm going to send you to, and it's basically the testosterone replacement therapy for men. I just wanted you to see what it looks like. I might send you to the main page. If I do send you to this page, there's a little contact us area here just below what I showed you, and you're going to want to make sure you put the GFO40 here in there so that you can get your discount, right? That's very important, okay? This is the main page, and again, you can actually fill it out, this little here, put your name in here. They'll contact you, and you can go from there. You can submit the form. Again, put Get Fit Over 40 right here, right in this box here. Okay, now there's also, if you click on this Get Approved here, you can skip right to this medical form where you fill out all your information, including the Get Fit Over 40 code here, right in this area, so that you can get the discount and sort of jumpstart it a little bit, get that form. I'm sure you're going to have to fill that form at some point, even if you just do the little form. And I just wanted to show you the Royal Medical Center, and this is the Trustpilot review for them. So they're getting an excellent review, 87% excellent, 10% great. You're always going to have haters, so they've got 1, 1, and 1 for average, poor, bad. I mean, if they had no haters, I'd be really surprised, because you just can't please everybody, right? But yeah, it's excellent ratings, and I was reading through the reviews there. I'll put a link so you can read this, so you can kind of follow up and do your own research on this company. But yeah, I'll do that as well. Put links in the written article, and I'll put links in the description of this video and all of that stuff. And I even have a little banner on my website. So if you go to getfitover40.com, you'll see banners in there for TRT or for low T. So it just says low T, and there's a little dude and his girlfriend on his back. Click on that. That'll send you to the pages you need to get get started with this. Again, don't forget to use Get Fit Over 40. Now, if you are watching this video from TRT Over 40, because I'm going to actually put this up on the TRT Over 40 channel, then you can use code TRTO40. So TRTO40, TRT Over 40. You can use that code as well. That'll give me an indication of who's coming from what basically YouTube channel. It just kind of helps me out to figure out what's going on, right? So that's it. I'm hoping, again, to do this type of make more of these types of videos, put more videos out there on TRT, because it's such a hot topic. And also, I might even be doing some stuff on, I did that one on the MK677 a while back. A lot of people super interested in that, and everybody's asking where you can get it. Now, this is a research chemical, so I'm sometimes a little reluctant to, I want you to do your own research, finding out where to get it and all that stuff. But I did have another company approach me and say, we're reputable, and so I'm looking into them to see if I want to, support those guys in terms of sending people there, so that they can look into the research chemicals like MK677 for things like, boosting your human growth level and all that kind of stuff. All right. So anyways, but this one again, focusing on TRT, focusing on Royal Medical Center. I really want to get this kick started and see if I can send some people to them and get help for people that need it, that have low T, that want to find a way to get on a program like this. All right. Thanks for watching another GetFitOver40.com video. Don't forget to subscribe. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time, take care.